This is a intake manifold for a Volvo Penta, and it was not behaving well, and it had frozen, and so we decided to just cut it in half and see what was on the inside of it and why it wasn't behaving well. And once again, this is what happens when you don't winterize the manifold. So this is the exhaust that goes down and comes out here and goes to your elbow that turns around there. This is your water jacket. This is a water jacket. And your exhaust and intake ports. And there's the rest of it right there. We had to cut that little section off. It wouldn't fit in the saw. So we cut that section off. But that's how one of them cracks when water is in this bottom right here and it freezes. It'll push that up, and it pushed it up here and here. And so this, of course, was not any good, but it was a teaching moment. And it would have been a very valuable intake.